Today we're going to get organized. Hi, it's Mary.
Hello!
If this is your first time on my channel,
I'm starting to notice that.
welcome to my channel. If you have been watching me, thank you for coming back.
Thank you!
Today we're going to show you how I organize my fabric.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Please feel free to leave a comment below.
It just got interesting!
We're gonna use very simple stuff like cardboard, you can use crafting papers.
That was very sneaky of you.
Hey, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get started.
I like it a lot.
Sounds like a challenge. You don't think I can do it?
Oh no.
And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it. Thank you for watching
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
and see you next time. Bye bye.